Hello my croutons, and welcome back to this long-standing series where I help you fellow broke game developers find free resources that you can use in your game projects. This time I'll be taking a more generalized approach, and instead of specific assets, I have compiled a list of websites whose resources can be used in any game development engine, completely for free of course. For the sake of simplicity, I have divided these websites into certain sections. The art section has websites mostly dedicated to providing art assets. The music section is mainly for music and sound effects, and the tools section are a couple of helpful websites and programs that can be used in conjunction with all of these amazing free assets. Timestamps are in the description. Let's get started. This list wouldn't be complete without Open Game Art. This website has been around since 2009 and contains everything from 2D and 3D art to music and sound effects. It even has tutorials on how to make your own assets, all completely for free. There is some incredibly high quality stuff here, and since it has been around for so long, its library of content is incredibly large. Now you may be scratching your head at this one, because most often itch.io is used as a free platform for developers to release their games. But did you know that game assets and soundtracks are also released here? If you go to itch.io's homepage and browse by game assets or soundtracks, and filter by free, you will find an incredible library of free content for you to use in your game. There's a surprising number of art packs, from very detailed and well-drawn pixel art to low-poly 3D models. However, remember to read through each specific pack's guidelines and check to see if they can be used in commercial products. This goes for all these resources. Respect the resource creators! This website is absolutely fantastic. I only recently found out about it, and I can't believe I went all these years without it. It has an insanely large library with a huge selection of resources. It is basically everything you could need, from 2D and 3D content to audio and GUI. It's got it all. It's all incredibly well organized too, and finding all the free assets you can need is just a click away. The quality of resources is generally very high, though every now and again you'll find something of, questionable quality. This is a website I use all the time. I'm serious. Almost 100% of the sound effects in my game come from this website. It's that good. There's some less than quality stuff on here for sure, but I would highly recommend this to anyone who needs free sound effects. Sound effects are a massively important part of any game. Your player feels and relates to your world through them, and with this website you're definitely getting some top-notch player engagement. If you need to make a scene emotional, this is the website that will do it. All of these works can be used commercially for free, and if you want to make sure, there's a handy-dandy button right there that tells you the exact license the piece falls under. If used correctly, this music can shape the feel of an entire scene, and they are truly wonderful pieces. This is a bit more specific than the rest of these resources, but this music pack was too good to not be included. This is a large collection of music composed for a 2-month-long competition. It is completely free to use non-commercially. If you want to use it commercially, you must individually contact the composer, and the quality of these is insane, especially considering they were made in a 2-month period. These were made for a contest within the RPG Maker community. However, I do not believe these resources are engine-specific. I have used these songs in both my past and current games, and I highly recommend you all check out this music pack. This website has been 100% vital to the success of my game. I literally could not have made my game the way it is today without it. It's an online converter that I use religiously to convert .mp3 audio files into the .ogg format that is required in the RPG Maker MV engine. It can basically take any audio file you have and, for free, convert it into basically any format you could dream of. It converts plenty of other things too, such as videos and images, however I've only ever used it to convert audio files. The free version can convert files up to 75 megabytes, and after that you'll have to pay. It's an incredibly useful resource that is really easy to use. This program is, in my opinion, the best photo manipulation option you can find that is completely free. It's not as good as Photoshop, but if you need a free alternative to edit photos in a rather professional way, I'd highly recommend it to you. It can do some amazing things. And to wrap things up, we have Blender. This is an incredibly popular tool for 3D animation and modeling. I am not incredibly well versed in the art of 3D modeling, but even I was able to create a simple sword model using Blender. It's very easy to use, very professional, and very popular. There are tutorials aplenty for it, and I'm sure you'll have no issues picking it up very quickly. And that's all for this list, my croutons. I hope you find some of these websites helpful, and I wish you all the best of luck with your games. You can do this. Hang in there, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.